Brad Hall here, and I am very excited about this one. Not only because I've got a brand new foam runner in front of me, this is the Stone Sage colorway, but also because it's been a while and it feels really good to be talking into a camera again. I am very excited about this. Now, before I share everything about this foam runner, I do want to say that a lot of people messaged me asking me how I was doing, if everything was okay, and I really appreciate that. It made me feel just really good knowing that some people cared. I had to step away for some health reasons, but I've taken care of them, and now I'm feeling really good and really strong. I feel probably even stronger than I did before, and I already felt pretty much above average strong, so even stronger now. So I'm excited to be back. I'm excited about this brand new foam runner. I'm also excited I'm using a new mic in this video. This is the first time that I'm using it. What I think this is going to bring to the table, it's going to sound like I'm right there with you, just next to you, maybe even in your face, just whispering into your ears. So that should be a really intimate experience that I think it's going to be good for us. It is finally time to get into this foam runner, the Stone Sage colorway, and I've got 5 things that you need to know about this one. This pair is made in China. I'm not sure how much of a difference there is between these made in China pairs and the made in US pairs anymore. The last pair that I got, this one right here. Oop. Now let me actually pull out one other made in China pair. That is the mineral blue pair. So all of these are actually made in China right here, but this pair was an early made in China pair, and it's a lot harder. I also thought this one was a lot smaller too. The 2 most recent made in China pairs, they do feel very similar. They're squishy and they're roomier. So where does the Stone Sage colorway rank in terms of squishiness? Now, I've not handled all of these foam runners recently. I'm going by memory on some, and some I've actually never handled at all. This one is definitely near the top. Maybe they tweaked the foam just like they did with the slides, because it is feeling very squishy these days. Sizing has been really tricky to nail down for me. This pair I got in my normal size, and this is actually an entire size up from my normal size. So there is a full size difference between these 2 foam runners, and they're basically identical. This new pair is a bit roomier. A shoe salesman once told me they've never heard of someone complaining about a shoe being too big. So I do think about that. You're better off too big than too small, because too small, that's really going to hurt. Like I said at the beginning, there is a mix of colors. It's just very subtle on this one. You do see it mostly right here. Let's get that. I just hit the mic. I'm not used to having this here. You see that on the heel really well, that mix back there. But there is pretty much no color variation up front. Something I thought was interesting, the base color on this new pair is very similar to that sand gray pair. You just get a lot more colors in the sand gray pair. This one, that's the sand gray. If you don't have that pair and you want to get an idea of what this new one looks like before you try buying it, my recommendation, head over to Target and then grab yourself a container of Favorite Day Java Chunk ice cream. That packaging is very similar to this colorway, and you're also going to get a really fantastic container of ice cream. It's an irresistibly delicious treat that can be enjoyed year-round. That is Java Chunk ice cream by Favorite Day. Every day is a favorite day when you're buying ice cream, unless something bad happens that day. Now I'm going to end the show with number 5, but before I do, I want to say thanks so much for watching. Feels really good to be doing this, and I hope you're all doing well.